Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, I love you. We're going to talk about love this week, and I actually do love you. Let's talk more about that in just a minute. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance first. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. That was probably kind of a weird greeting I just gave you this morning. Just starting right off with I love you. Hey, I want you to know this. I actually do love you. I love every single one of you. And I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. Let's talk about first like different kinds of love, right? Because some people are probably like giggling because that sounds funny. Well, I'm not saying that I love you like I love Mrs. Wright. Mrs. Wright's my wife, and we're talking about kindergarten Mrs. Wright. I love kindergarten Mrs. Wright. I have that like romantic love. But the kind of love that like a teacher or principal has for you is sort of more similar to the way that your parent loves you. It's also the way that you could love a friend, right? Or a brother or sister. So it's like you guys have this special place in my heart. I don't think about you guys just the same way I think about any like random person that I meet on the street. I know every single one of you. You guys are important to me. I care about you. I think about you. I have this feeling in my heart that's love. And you have that for your teachers and your people around you. But you know what we're going to start with this morning? Because it's kind of awkward sometimes to tell people that you love them. I remember the first time that I tried to tell my class that I loved them. And they were like, what are you talking about? That sounds weird. And I was a little nervous. But you know what happened? After I told them I love you, then I got a little less nervous. And then later I told them it again. And again, it's one of those things that if you love people, telling them that you love them makes them feel really good. It makes people feel safe around you because they know that you love them and that you care about them. So here's what I want you to do. When your teacher says you're ready, and your teacher might give you a little bit of directions, I want you to take a couple minutes and I want you to get up out of your seat, walk around, and talk to people in your class and tell them that you love them. Just say I love you to people. It can be a little greeting for this morning. You can tell your teachers that you love them. You can tell your classmates that you love them. Let's take the sillies and like push them down, because we're not talking about like, ooh, I love you. Like not that kind of love. Just this deep caring that we have for each other in our heart. And you can turn and look at your teacher for directions on that. And I will talk to you later. Have a great day, Achieve.